Hi, so this question is sort array by parity 2. So basically you're given an integer array and then you want to sort when num size is odd, when I is odd, and then when num size is even, I is even. So let's just look at the example pretty quickly. So 4, 2, 5, 7, 4, 2 are even, 5, 7 are odd. And then you want to just do this even index for even number, odd index for odd numbers. So this is index 0, index 2, so this is even, this is index 1, this is index 3, so which is odd. Alright, so I'm going to just share a couple of solutions. So the first solution is I create an extra space. I'm going to call result. And I want to return result. And then I basically have the index for in nums. So if num multiplied by 2 is equal to 0, which is going to be even, so I'm going to say result I equal to nums, right? And then nums and then I will plus equal to 2, and then I will reinitial my I equal to 1 for what? For our index. And basically it's supposed to be straightforward. Nums multiplied by 2 equal to 1, result I equal to num, and then I plus equal to 2. So this will be pretty much the solution. So I submit. Cool. For time and space, space is all of n, time is all of n, all of n. Alright, so this is going to be the first solution. So the second solution is going to be similar, but we don't separate two for loop. We can combine them into together and combine them into one. So I'm going to restart. Alright, in result equal to new in num length, and then in even equal to 0, I equal to 1. I'm going to traverse. So I have to determine if the current value is even, else it's going to be odd. So result at even will become num, even plus equal to 2, result at r equal to num, and then r plus equal to 2, and then you want to return result. So again, straightforward. Submit. Alright, for this solution, space is going to be all of n, time is going to be all of n, right? Alright, so let's look at another one which is going to be a little bit, efficient without creating an extra space. So we're using the default in array and then we swap. So what I need is I need to create a swap function. Alright, so technically just say in temp equal to nums I, nums I equal to nums j, nums j equal to temp. Alright, for in even equal to 0, I equal to 1, and I want to say even less than nums length, and then even plus equal to 2. Alright, so why do I have to start for even only? Because even is the one that is going to be minimum, right? Minimum between even and odd, right? So you only need the minimum constraint for the condition. Alright, so if nums at even multiplied by 2 is equal to 0, actually if that is equal to 1, right? So what does this mean? So if I traverse an index, so this is going to be index, which is going to be odd number, right? What I need to do is I want to just assign my odd plus equal to 2, and I will swap right here. Alright, I will explain what just happened. So yeah, so if this value if this value is going to be an odd value, because mod 2 equal to 1, and then I want to make sure I have the correct index for odd, right? This is why I have odd plus equal to 2. If I have already assigned, right, I need to assign the value or index which is going to be even. So if that is already odd, for example, odd, let me just quickly make a sample. So imagine 0, 3, 1, 4, and then 5. Probably have to get rid of this to what? To 2. Alright, so this is the array. So if the value is going to be, if this value is going to be what? Nums are even, which is going to be 0. Num 0 multiplied by 2 is actually, this is odd number, right? And then I want to make sure my odd starting at index this guy is going to be odd, right? So however, this is an even number, right? So I don't come to the while loop. I swap the odd and even. So technically swap, right? Swap this value, so it becomes 0, 3, 0, 3, and then I increment my even number to here. So it's gonna be index 2. So this is still going to be this guy. So yeah, 2, 2. So I'm at right here per position. So nums at 2 is going to be what? It's going to be even number. So I don't care. Alright, so in this situation, I haven't incremented my R. So my R is at this position. My R is still at this position. So I increment my this guy. So it looks like it has to be a even number of arrays. So I'm making this to be 7, right? 0, 2, 4 is even, 3, 5, 7 is odd. Okay, cool. Alright, let's just keep going. So I'm at this position for even index. My odd index is still here. So nums are even. So this value is 5. 5 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2 is equal to 1, which is going to be what? This is odd number. I need to make sure I increment my value for every single odd index, right? So I was here, and then nums at 1 is actually an odd number, so I increment to here, right? And this value is even number, so I only increment by 2 only, and I swap with this guy, so it's gonna be 5, 4, right? And then I'll have 7 at the end. Alright, so this is actually pretty straightforward. So we probably have to draw on the paper, and then you'll see what's going on. So wait, did I make the pasta? Oh, I didn't run it. Oh, so return nums. Submit. Alright, so time and space is going to be constant, right? Time, this is time, all of them. So this will be the solution. So if you have question, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.